Okay, y'all, let's do a facial. So today my client, she really doesn't have bad skin, but she does deal with hyperpigmentation, i.e. dark spots or lighter spots. But as you can see on her face, she has mostly dark spots. So I'm just starting off by getting her face a little bit wet, a little bit moist. This is her first facial, so she wasn't really used to the steam, so I had to tone it down a little bit for her. You know, we always have to accommodate for our clients. So I'm starting off with a cleanser, and all the products will be listed in the description box. So I did use a hot towel, and I just used another towel just to get the excess off of what I did not grab. And now I'm using a toner pad that also helps grab any other debris or leftover product that you did not have, and it restores your skin's balance back to normal to prepare for the next product. So like then I just scrubbed. In this video I did not extract, I only let the product do its job. So a lot of people, if you were like me, I used to like the harsh scrubs because I feel like that was really going to, you know, get the job done. But the harsher the scrub does not mean the better the scrub. So I'm going in now with another toner pad, getting her skin's pH balance back to normal. And now I'm going to put a mask. It's like a jelly mask. And like I said, all the products will be listed in the description box below. So I really wanted to cover her whole face, but throughout this whole process, we were talking. So I couldn't do that. And it just was running. And she was making TikToks as well. And I love a client that loves a good TikTok. But right now, I'm just massaging her scalp. I do have a scalp massager, but I decided to do this by hand just to really get the blood flowing. And so she called her husband.
That on your face?
Boy, don't play with me. I'm gonna have to bring you here when you come get you a facial. You enjoy it. This feel good, baby. She massaging my scalp.
Oh, everything.
Yeah. Bye. I just called to be petty.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so I noticed while I massaged her, I also gave her like a neck and shoulder massage as well. I noticed that it was time for the mask to come up. So I removed the mask, of course, did the hot towel and the toner. So now I'm just going to go in with Discoloration oil from Good Molecule, and I love them. And I'm also going in with a sunscreen. Yes, chocolate girls need sunscreen. And I'm also applying eye cream because she a mom and she got a lot of kids. I'm just playing. And then I'm going in with a little moisturizer. We all need this. Actually, this moisturizer is like for de-aging. So it helps with like droopy skin. I always like to rub product in upward because it decreases like wrinkles. And I'm finishing off with a skin oil. This is what I like to do for my skin as well. Not the exact same products. You can't use the same products on everybody. But this is the routine that I like to use for my skin once a week. And yeah, make sure y'all leave comments down below. Tell me what you think. If you have any other skincare regimens, feel free to leave those down below as well. I'm always down to learn. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.